There's the Mason-Dixon line.
No way.
Yeah, this is the side of West Virginia right here.
And then Pennsylvania.
And then the side of Pennsylvania. Hi guys, good morning. We're here in Albert, West Virginia. And we're gonna see the Muddy Creek Falls and also the Virginia Furnace, and they're pretty close to each other. Tag along with us and then we will show you the place. Are you ready, Eli? Eli?
Yes.
Are you eating banana?
Yes.
Okay. So we're just gonna have some snacks first. We packed some snacks and lunch. Okay, we are on our way to see this Muddy Creek Falls. So there is a pathway going down. The Muddy Creek Park in northern Preston County is a roadside park along Route 26 and is north of Albright, West Virginia. There, you can enjoy the sight of the Muddy Creek Falls along with the historic Virginia Furnace, which can be found on the National Register of Historic Places. There is a small parking lot to see the Virginia Furnace and the Muddy Creek Falls. Across the road from where the furnace and the rapids are, you find picnic area and shelter, we believe. We were not sure if there is a bathroom there. We were not able to check it out. The kids really enjoyed watching the falls and playing in the area. Aside from that, the Virginia Furnace is really cool. The furnace was built in 1854 and was a charcoal iron furnace used to smelt iron. The furnace remained in operation until the 1800s and was the last charcoal iron furnace to cease operating in northern West Virginia. In 1933, the Virginia Furnace was acquired by the Kingwood chapter of Daughters of the American Revolution, who created a roadside park at the furnace site. It was listed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1999. So this is the Virginia Furnace. Ooh, wow. It looks green.
Watch out. Watch out. Watch out, guys.
Wow.
Rattlesnake.
Huh?
Rattlesnake.
It's too cold for rattlesnakes, bud.
That made me scared. But look at that reflection. Is that actually green or just a reflection from up top?
And there's some moss in here.
That's the moss?
Yeah, I'd say
It's a huge furnace. Wow, can you imagine?
Imagine rattlesnakes here.
I believe it's green. There's probably some trying to grow in here from the river.
Yeah, that's
It's
cool.
so high.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
it's huge.
This thing's probably 150 years old, Sammy. They used to make iron here. I
We
think.
are gonna take a closer look of this.
Yeah, Mama
waterfall,
said they
the
quit
Muddy
making it around
Creek.
8.
Good. What do you think? Uh-huh. Is that huge? What do you think, Eli?
He said it's pretty.
Is it pretty? Troy is looking for a flat spot where we can stand the tripod so we can video the falls for an hour. Sammy has found some mushrooms on the trunk of this tree that has already fallen. You okay?
Huh?
There's no good spot.
Where'd Eli's stick go? There is a good spot.
Where?
But I was hoping for Eli's stick or Sammy's stick.
Where you going?
Is it a strong one? There's a branch in the way, but what I'm thinking is if I push the branch up over a vine, I won't have to hurt any flora, and it'll hopefully get the branch out of the shot. But yeah, there are two good places right down there that are better. As you can get almost the whole waterfall in. The branch that I was trying to not break
Broke?
broke.
Okay.
The best shot may be from right down there with the microphones up this way. I don't know. If that's what you want to do, you want to see it?
I thought that one part,
Because it gets at from down here, you can see the whole thing without that rocking tree in the picture.
is it this?
You're right behind that rock. Is a good point of view of the whole thing.
So there we go, guys. We just finished filming an hour worth of video with the waterfall, and we are moving on to another waterfall today, and it is called the Tucker Falls, and it is in Core, West Virginia. So tag along with us again, and we will show you some footage there. And I hope that you enjoy this trip here in Albright, West Virginia. And we will see you there. Hi guys, so we are here in Mason-Dixon Historical Park, and we're gonna check out this Tucker waterfalls. It's muddy today, so we are getting our walking sticks. Okay, just tag along with us as we take you to this waterfall.
They spin off.
This?
They're threaded, yep. Here, Sammy. Oh, you don't have one yet.
You ready, Eli?
I go over there.
So we can probably just walk right here, right, baby?
Do what?
We can probably just walk right straight.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You put your hand through the strap so you don't
So
drop
this Tucker Falls is located in Core, West Virginia.
it. See this, buddy?
Oh, Daddy.
So I think this is the Dunkard Creek, as they mentioned it earlier.
Oh, I can see it. I can see it, Mommy.
You can see it?
Yeah.
This is a very nice place. The breeze is actually cold. So there's the trail map. Oh, that's nice. They gave us baby, they have a trail map right there if you want to get one.
Awesome.
But I go up now again.
Uh-huh. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Up.
So this is a nice trail. It says on the website it's a family-friendly trail. It still feels cold. There's the creek. It's nice to walk.
Have you seen pictures of this waterfall?
Yeah. Just one picture from the website.
He's catching mommy.
Are you catching mommy? Now Eli wants to see sticks.
My husband.
Your hiking stick? Well, you're gonna have trouble walking with that.
Do you want one, buddy? Do you want to walk a stick? That's an hour-long hike?
A mile.
Just a mile? Oh, we can do that.
You don't want it? Uh-huh. Let's go.
I'm glad you had me pick this up.
Yeah, I wanted to.
Where are we? Okay, we're on green. It loops back around. And red goes up and comes all the way back here.
So it's not the... That's red, right? Okay, so
Yeah.
we have to connect to orange. Eli, come here, baby. So we have to probably go through still.
So, okay, Orange Trail is right down past here.
Okay. Now we're looking for an orange marker, Eli. Oh, this is still green. You see the green signs? There's the Mason-Dixon line.
No way.
Yeah. Come on, Eli. Do you want to see the Sammy? Huh? The swing? Awesome.
Oh, neato.
Baby, there's a swing. That is cool.
I see a waterfall sign. That lady said there may not be a waterfall today.
That's okay. We can just check out. Come here, baby. There's the almost heaven swing. It's the Mason-Dixon line. So this is the side of West Virginia right here. And then the side of Pennsylvania. So this is the third crossing of Dunkard Creek Recreation Area. So this is the old marker. This side is West Virginia and this side is Pennsylvania.
Orange sign.
Oh, you are right. He saw the orange sign. Okay, hold it, baby.
Good job, Eli.
Video. That's the Hey, Sammy. Oh, no.
Who else's head is cold?
Maya.
So we are going to the waterfall trail.
This is the Orange Trail that goes to the waterfall. You want to go see a waterfall?
Located at Mason-Dixon Historical Park near Morgantown, Tucker Falls is a 14-foot hidden gem. This charming little park borders the Mason-Dixon line, making Tucker Falls one of the most northern waterfalls in almost heaven. Take a stroll along the banks of Dunkard Creek on Green Trail and cross over to Orange Trail for a combined 1-mile walk.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
My name is Luke.
Okay. Go again.
My name is Luke.
The publicly owned 295-acre original Mason-Dixon Historical Park was established in the 1970s to commemorate the great achievement of Charles Mason and Jeremiah Dixon, the English astronomers who surveyed the Mason and Dixon line. The Mason and Dixon line is a national civil engineering landmark. You okay? In 1763, the English astronomers Charles Mason and Jeremiah Dixon were hired to settle an 82-year boundary dispute between Penns and Calverts, who had received royal grants in America.
I do hear water. If it is, it is a little waterfall.
That must be it. Wow.
We'll have a sign.
Oh, going down.
Was it a baby waterfall?
It is a big waterfall.
Big or baby?
It's a big.
Just not much water right now?
No.
Hey, Daddy. Hey, Daddy.
That's a waterfall.
It's a pretty little waterfall.
What?
Tucker Falls. And there's not much water here. That's so pretty.
Go back.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Daddy. What do I do?
We made it. Our adventure is complete for the day.
Yeah.
Yay, we did it. Now we're gonna turn back.
You're just walking and you fell.
Well, he was not.
I don't know if I was walking or I was running. I don't know.
Come back in the spring, I think.
Okay. Bye, waterfall. We'll probably come back in next season.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
So we finally saw this Tucker Falls and not much water in it today.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, waterfall.
Bye-bye, waterfall.
You say bye-bye, waterfall.
Bye-bye, waterfall. Bye-bye, waterfall.
I think the kids want to play in the playground for a little bit. The hike to the falls was definitely harder, but going down it's pretty easy at this point. That was a mile hike. The first stretch was flat and the final stretch really a little steep. Going down it's easier, huh, baby?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Oh, the playground.
Thank you, Sammy.
Thank you. North for Hoville, Dexter, and Millie, Ferry Door Trail, Sesame Street.
And now it's something.
You want to take a picture too?
Yes. There's a walking stick over there.
Oh, ha! They offer walking stick. You just need to return. I did not even notice that. That's cool, Sammy. Walking stick to borrow or to buy.
Wow.
That's so nice of them, huh?
Yeah, it is. Let's catch up with Mom.
Okay, so we got to see two waterfalls today, but we were not able to take a longer video of the second one since there's not much water in it. There's not much water today, so we'll probably wait until the next season when there'll be more rain, so to actually see more water. Thank you guys for tagging along with us today, and if you like this video, please hit like and consider subscribing. Until next video, bye!